Next very important definition in algebra is algebraic expression. An algebraic expression, it is essentially the collection of algebraic terms. So simple as that, collection of algebraic terms. So what does that mean, collection of algebraic terms? So if you have multiple algebraic terms and they are separated by plus or minus, then it becomes an algebraic expression. For example, 3x minus 2y. I am pretty sure you have seen all these kinds of algebraic expressions. 3x minus 2y, 3 minus 4x, 4y plus 5z. So all these things you have already written. So these classify under algebraic expression. Based on the number of terms that are present in an expression, we classify expression into 4 major categories. The first one is monomial. The term itself says monomial, mono meaning one, which means there is only one algebraic term. That's all. There is only one algebraic term. For example, let's take 3x minus 3x, 3yz, 4pqr. All these are, there is only one term. This is one term, this is one term, this is one term. So all these are classified under monomial. So the next category we have is a binomial. Term itself says again bi meaning 2. So there are 2 algebraic terms and the terms must be separated by plus or minus. For example, 3x minus 2y, there are 2 terms here, 3x and 2y, they are separated by minus. So therefore it is classified under binomial. Minus 4x plus 5y, this is also a binomial. 4a plus 5bc, this is also a binomial. So all these are different examples of binomial. The next one we have is a trinomial. A trinomial is an expression, term itself again says tri meaning 3. So there should be 3 algebraic terms separated by plus or minus. For example, 2x minus 4y plus 3z. This is a trinomial. Minus 3a plus 5b plus 6qr. This is again another trinomial. So there are 3 terms, they are all separated by plus or minus. Then it is called as a trinomial. The next one we have any expression which generally contains more than 3 terms, we call them as a polynomial. Polynomial is generally greater than 3 terms. For example, minus 2x plus 3y minus 4z plus 5a. This is a polynomial. Let's take another example. Let's say minus 3ab plus 4bc minus 6cd plus 5da, something like this. So this is again another polynomial. If you see, there are 4 terms here which are separated by plus or minus. So we'll do a quick simple exercise where we try to I'll give you certain expressions. We'll try to classify them as a monomial or binomial or trinomial or a polynomial. Right? Okay. Let us see these simple examples of classification. 2xy. There are 2 variables and a numerical term, but they are all separated by multiplication. So it is 2 into x into y. So therefore it's a monomial. So this becomes a monomial. So let's try this one. So what will this be? Minus 3x plus 4y minus 5z. So there are 3 terms here, minus 3x, 4y and 5z. They are all separated by plus or minus. So 3 terms separated by plus or minus. So therefore this will be classified as a trinomial. So let's take this one. 3a and 5b. These are the 2 terms we have and they are separated by plus or minus. So therefore it will be binomial. Minus 6abc. So we have minus 6, a, b and c. So they are all separated by plus or minus. Multiplication. They are all multiplied to each other. So therefore this will be classified as a monomial. There is one single term. So therefore it's a monomial. So here 4p plus 3qr. So this will be a binomial because there are 2 terms. A binomial. Let's take this one. 2x square minus 5x plus 6 minus 3z. So now I've got 2x square and 5x, they are not like terms and they are separated by minus, and we have plus 6 and minus 3z. So we have 4 terms separated by plus or minus. So therefore it becomes a polynomial. Okay, so let's check this one. Minus 2a plus 5a square plus 5. So there are 3 terms separated by plus or minus. So it becomes a trinomial. So 3lm, 5mn, 5p and 6q. 4 terms separated by plus or minus. So therefore it becomes a polynomial.